I got this American Silver Eagle. Came in this little tiny package here. It's got the coin and it's in a protective case. There's the front, it's the Liberty coin. And then there's the eagle on the back. And then the paperwork here. It says that it is the certificate of authenticity, and it's for an American silver 1 ounce uncirculated coin. And then it says United States Mint, and it's got all the specifications on here. It says that it's a $1 denomination. It says that it's uncirculated finish, and it says it's 99.93% silver composition, and then it's got a diameter of 1.598 inches, and it's got a weight of 1 troy ounce. And then the edge, it says, is reeded. So if we can see the edge there, there's the edge. So yeah, this coin's pretty nice. All right, there you go.